So guys, my name is Paul. Welcome back to this new video. It's been a while since I last posted a video. I would say it's almost a month, a little bit more than a month. And I'm so sorry for that, but I've been so busy working with new projects and stuff. And also, you know, with me, this YouTube reality is something new. And I've been making a lot of custom things. I've been working a lot. I've been buying some new clothes and stuff, but what really is not familiar to me is that I start doing a project and I don't think about, you know, I could make a YouTube video about this. So I'm sorry for that. I will start posting more and I will start making weekly videos again. Before starting this video, guys, please subscribe to my channel. That will help me out a lot, and also make sure to follow me on Instagram. Today we're going to focus on a pair of jeans, but I'm also in general going to talk to you about how I like to paint and custom make clothes. I found this product right here, which is Giovanna Cruel, and I was looking for a cheap and affordable product, but also at the same time very quality product. And this product right here I've been using for 3 months or so to make different things. It comes with 6 different colors, so you've got white, yellow, red, blue, green and black. So you can make every single color you want to make for your clothes. It's also a lot of product because it's almost 20 millimeters. It's 6 for 20 millimeters, and I've spent 30 euros or so for the entire package, which is almost 5 euros per color, which is pretty good. Video is about how I made a custom-made pair of jeans off-white, and the inspiration is Virgil off-white pants. This was a basic pair of jeans that I got from a local store. It's ripped on the knees, and also I've decided to cut off the edge of the jeans. The end part is really cut off and I'm a bit distressed, as you can see, as you can tell. I've decided to go for edge of one leg, and then I wanted to make it asymmetrical, so I went for the pocket on the other half of the jeans. So you got the left leg and the right pocket, and I think it looks very cool from the back. Okay, so the first step to do to create the design we are looking for, so an off-white inspired design, is to create a square. So right now I'm measuring a square around the pocket. So both the height and the length need to be the same, and for example in my case there it's 16 cm. And I've split it into 4 different sections, so it's going to be 4 cm each line. Once you have designed the square, we are going to join the dots we've created in order to create the stripes that we are going to fill. Try to make this as precise as possible, even though it's not that easy to work on fabric. And you should end up with 8 different stripes. Next step, guys, once you have the entire shape designed using a pencil, we're going to put on tape, and that is going to help us define the sections and also avoid spilling color on parts we do not want to. So we're going to create a very precise structure around the pocket, and then also around each and every line. Of course, we're going to tape not every single line, but just the lines we want to keep the jeans fabric, so we do not want to dye them. And since we've created a square and we have 8 different lines, if we decide to paint, which is what I would recommend you guys do, the first one, also the last one, is going to be painted. So I think it's the best solution to achieve a off-white squared stripe design. Once we're done with the tape, we're going to start painting. I'm using a brush, a squared flat brush, and some white paint that I talked to you about at the beginning of this video. I'm doing one layer, then wait some seconds and do another layer, and I'm doing the same thing throughout the entire design. Once we are done with the 2 layers, I'm going with the blow dryer just to make it really dry, and then I'm going back once again with another layer, and on top of that another layer. It's very hard at the beginning to see the design, especially if you want to go with dye like white, but you know, the fact of layering is going to leave you a very sharp and long-lasting design. So I would recommend you guys do 4 layers, and that is going to lock in the shape, especially if you use very warm hot hair with the blow dryer, and try to stay as close as possible to the design, which is going to emulate the same effect of the iron. You know, you can also iron it, but I think the blow dryer is so much better, so much easier, and especially if you're using tape, just like in my case, the blow dryer is not going to melt it. Once we are happy with the amount of pigment that we have on the stripes, once we are happy with the white color, we can then remove the entire structure of tape. And then if you're still not happy, if you see that there are some spots that still need a little bit more pigment, a little bit more color, you can of course go in and just perfect the entire structure. This is the video for today, guys. I hope you learned something new today, which is always my goal. I want to show you guys things that I try and give you advice on how to do things if you want to custom make things. I will be posting a lot more, and I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. See you next time. Ciao!